panic attack every Monday.
You do?
No. So today is Monday. It's a test day, so I'm just gonna head to the gym first. Everyone's kind of got their own thing that they do, and for me, it's always been going to the gym and working out. Test weeks are usually a little more stressful, just because you have to kind of scramble to put together everything you learned from the past week. You've kind of got these periods of high and low stress based on whether you have a test or not, and then once you're done with the test, you can kind of relax for a couple days and then get back at it. I competed in powerlifting my whole life. I love it. I love to work out. It makes me feel good, keeps me healthy. It's kind of a stress relief thing for me and makes me feel like I still have a normal life. Ready to go? So when I got accepted, I was at home with my brother. Dr. Chan called me and I was like, oh my God. I got in and tried to listen to what he was saying. Something about being a great applicant, something like the best applicant he's ever seen. And so I gladly accepted his offer and I just went nuts. I told everyone in my family, and it was probably one of the best days of my life. It's a bumpy ride.
Tests are usually on Mondays, so Monday morning I spend cramming and getting everything down. Wednesdays are long days, so on phase 1 you'll have anatomy and then you'll have clinical skills class in the afternoon. So pretty much 8 to 5 on Wednesdays throughout your whole year. So there's a lot of anatomy in phase 1. Dr. Morton makes learning anatomy really fun. He brings in songs that he wrote that are hilarious, so get ready for Dr. Morton songs.
To the doctor's deference, we shoot like a pistol. Look, on our left we're approaching a seminal vesicle. Yes, I'm free.
Usually once a week, I'll take a morning and go to job shadow a physician. The other mornings, I'll have a couple mornings maybe to study. Weekends are pretty much study, volunteer. There's a lot of volunteering, I don't know. Okay, so I'm playing for, what's it called? Commencement. I do like keeping up on my piano skills, and it's just something to kind of de-stress and get back to the things you used to love in life.
Good, Michael. Oh, come on, get there.
So today we're actually playing for a play-in game so we can play in the championships. Well, we have a couple first years, we have a second year and a third year. Our team name is the Mike Pollock Wall, so it's fun to just be able to get out here and let loose.
Yeah, we have games Tuesday and Thursday. It's a good way to kind of blow off steam after a test or before a test. It's nice, we get a lot of good support. We even have our own cheerleading squad over there. It's mandatory attendance for the cheerleaders.
Last intramural season, we played extreme dodgeball in a racquetball court, and our med school team name was the Cree Masters. Our little team picture was like an anatomical drawing.
asking you as my friend, do you think I should just bring this whole bag?
Does it have all your stuff in it?
Yeah. So every Wednesday, a few of us go to the hospital and we actually interview and perform the physical exam on an actual hospitalized patient. And so this will be our first time doing that this week, and really excited. So Alex, when you did your ELO, what did you do? You just went in, you met the patient. How old was your patient? Just looking over the parts of the physical exam that I seem to get tripped up on. History, past surgical history, medications, allergies, family history, social history, all the important stuff, and then of course at the end review of systems to see if I'm on the right track here. It's a little bit overwhelming to think that it's our first year of medical school and we're already going to the hospital and performing the physical exam and full history on the patients, and it's just a wonderful opportunity, but at the same time, wow, this is really happening. It went okay. I mean, I got a good opportunity to meet with a patient who's going in for surgery tomorrow. I think the history and physical went okay, and yeah, now I'm gonna go meet with my group. Basically, gonna come up with a treatment plan and talk about the case. I don't know, man. You might not get a better shot than that.
I live downtown, and I normally just ride tracks to get to school. During first year, it's pretty much the perfect time to live wherever you want. A lot of people live close, some people live really far away. There's classmates that I have that live in Heber, Park City, Provo, Ogden. A lot of people just kind of make their studying work with their commute. You can listen to lectures online or in your car. Life doesn't really have to be all about med school. It's really important to have a balance. There's a lot of people in our class that go hiking, rock climbing, a lot of trails and routes close by. You can also do things downtown. I like to ride my bike around. As far as we go. It's just important to kind of do things outside of school so you're not just consumed by it, because it gets really easy to just continually study all the time. I happen to do nail art. After a lot of tests, I'll spend hours just painting my nails, and I do fairly intricate things. Right now, for example, there's a group of us that are working on a video for the roast. The whole med school comes together and we kind of make videos that are just making fun of each other, and then we all get together and watch it. I'm working on one with Frozen, Let It Go, the song. We're just kind of doing a medical school rendition of it.
Sorry, Ashley. I know.
Okay, you ready?
Oh yeah.
So this week we've been learning about immunology, and we just had a lecture on vaccines, and right now we're just in the lab getting ready to practice sticking each other. And I'm really scared.
So you want to get your Band-Aid ready first too. And what I like to do, because I think this is easier, is just open it up and I stick it on my arm.
So our curriculum here at the University of Utah is structured in such a way that we gain a lot of practical application for our training in medical school prior to starting our third year. It's going to be pretty beneficial because as we go into the clinics, we'll already have had some sort of experience in doing these injections.
You are leaving saline. That's awkward. You're welcome. I have my battle scars. One IM and one sub-Q.
How do you say it? Adjuvant? Is after.
So every Friday we have CBL, which is case-based learning. Today we talk about a case It's about a woman who has breast cancer, and we go through some different things like how would you treat her, what types of tests would you run, and things like that.
This has pregnancy results in terminal differentiation of milk-producing luminal cells, removing them from the potential burden.
It integrates everything that we've gone over for the week, so it's actually a pretty good way of learning. Yeah. See ya.
Right now we are doing a Breaking Barriers event. Every semester we bring together a panel of different healthcare professionals that can share more about another culture and how we can provide service for them. So today we're working with the Navajo community, and we also have a spiritual leader, and we'll have a Q&A session. We'll have different healthcare professionals just teach us more so we can become more culturally aware.
Med school is definitely tough. There are times when I'm studying and it's sunny outside and I wish I was just outside playing. But I know that at the end of the day it's all worth it because I can't imagine myself doing anything else and being happy. Feels like you're drinking from a fire hose.
Wait, this is supposed to encourage people to go to school.
I said be honest.